Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure you know your Apple ID email and device passcode because you will re-authenticate. Once ready, open Settings and tap your name at the top to access Apple ID controls. If you have multiple devices, choose the primary device that manages wallet and payments. This ensures changes propagate correctly. Make sure two-factor authentication codes are available since you may be prompted. Now, tap name, phone numbers, email to begin updating the email linked to wallet and Apple ID. You will now edit the email that Apple Wallet uses through your Apple ID. Tap name, phone numbers, email, then choose edit and add email or remove as needed. Add the new address first. Apple sends a verification code to the new email. Enter that code when prompted, because verification links establish ownership and prevent disruptions. Once verified, remove the old address if desired. Make sure to review wallet and payment methods for any prompts to re-authenticate, because some services require the updated email to sync. Finish by confirming the change propagated. Open Wallet and check that passes, cards, and tickets remain listed and that the Apple ID now shows the new email. If items fail to sync, sign out and sign back into Apple ID on that device to force a refresh and verify iCloud settings. If verification codes don't arrive, check spam folders and request resend. Alternatively, use a trusted device or phone number for two-factor authentication. If issues persist, reboot the device and retry signing in to resolve lingering sync errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.